Hello everyone. 5 common car problems and how to solve them. Let's investigate these common issues and how simple tools can fix them. Hashtag 1. OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner for Check Engine Light. The OBDLink MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner helps you diagnose the cause of the check engine light without needing a mechanic immediately. It reads diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from your car's onboard computer, providing specific error codes that indicate the exact problem, whether it's a loose gas cap or a faulty sensor. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair it with your smartphone, offering real-time data, making it user-friendly for both professionals and car owners. Why it solves the problem. By identifying the error code, this scanner eliminates guesswork. Instead of worrying about what triggered the check engine light, you can pinpoint the issue and take precise actions to fix it, saving time and money. 2. Mechanic Stethoscope for identifying weird noises. The Lisle 52500 mechanic stethoscope amplifies internal engine or mechanical sounds, making it easier to locate strange noises like squealing, grinding, or knocking. It's lightweight, durable, and comes with a pointed probe to access tight spots, allowing you to differentiate between normal and problematic sounds. Why it solves the problem. This tool helps you find the exact location of noise-related issues, such as worn bearings or loose components, without dismantling large parts of your car unnecessarily. It's perfect for diagnosing internal engine issues and detecting problems early to prevent costly repairs. 3. Portable jump starter for car won't start. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 jump starter is compact but powerful enough to jumpstart a dead battery. With 1,000 amps, it can start most gasoline and diesel engines. It also functions as a power bank for charging devices and has a built-in LED flashlight with multiple modes for emergencies. Its spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection make it safe for users of all experience levels. Why it solves the problem. If your car doesn't start due to a dead battery, this jump starter provides a quick solution without needing another vehicle. It's especially useful in remote areas or emergencies, ensuring you get back on the road without delay. 4. Tire pressure gauge for vehicle pulling to one side. The AccuTire MS4021B digital tire pressure gauge provides accurate tire pressure readings with a large digital display for easy viewing. It features an ergonomic design for comfort and durability. Proper tire pressure ensures even tire wear, improving fuel efficiency and vehicle handling. Why it solves the problem. Uneven tire pressure is a common cause of vehicle pulling. This gauge helps you check and adjust tire pressure to the recommended levels, reducing wear and enhancing driving stability. By ensuring uniform pressure, you improve tire life and safety. Thank you for your time. I think it will be helpful for you. Let me know if you need any other changes.